Hi everyone, this is just a short video to describe what you will see on this channel in the next few weeks. First of all, I'm Matt and I'm a freelance full-stack designer. I specialize in WordPress, so I usually design and develop custom themes and plugins for all kinds of businesses that have a WordPress website. And in the last month, I worked on my personal website, WordPressAdvisor.io, which is a website that I actually created last year, but it was in need of a redesign, and I will explain exactly why in one of the next videos. You can see in the design right here in Figma. It's almost ready to be developed, and I thought that it would be cool to share the entire process of development of this website live with you on YouTube and Twitch, from start to finish. And at the same time, I decided to develop this website with an headless WordPress setup. So WordPress will be used as the backend, and the front end of the website will be developed with NextJS. And a little note here, I've been using WordPress since 2007, so of course I'm familiar with PHP, JavaScript and CSS, but I'm definitely new to React. And I also never tried Next.js. So I thought it would be cool to show the process I usually use to redesign a website of this kind, and also to learn Next.js live with you. So it will be some kind of blind dev run, let's say. This video series will be in part pre-recorded videos uploaded here on YouTube, and in part it will be live videos on Twitch. I usually go live there at least once per day during the work week, and then if you lose the live, no worries, because I'll probably upload the live stream here on YouTube as well. And by the way, I've never made video content of this kind before, so any suggestion or feedback is welcome. If you have any questions about WordPress development, feel free to leave a comment down below in this video, because it could be the subject of one of the next videos here on this channel. And I think that's all for now. Thank you for watching.